Can you guess what this is? That's right. It's a hamster. It's small. It's got 4 legs and brown fur. Many British families love animals. Like this rabbit. It's got black fur and big ears. Look at this rabbit. It's got lunch. And many British families love cats. This cat has got grey fur and a long tail. And this is a pony. It's got 4 legs. It's got a long tail too. What's this? It's got no legs and no fur. It's a goldfish. And can you guess what this is? It's got 4 legs and a shell. That's right, it's a tortoise. What animals do you like?